Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make barbecue chicken spaghetti, and I'll be using my Breville Smart Oven Air. As always, this is a super easy dish to get on the table in a hurry. So first things first, you're going to take a large mixing bowl and you're going to add some sour cream, some barbecue sauce, some tomato sauce, and some tomato paste. I love to use tomato paste that comes in the tube because I have yet to use a whole can of tomato paste in one recipe. So this one, you just squeeze out what you need and then pop the rest in the fridge. So you mix that up thoroughly and you're going to add in 1 pound of spaghetti that has been cooked to al dente. Now I will have all the measurements for everything down below in the description box, so don't worry. So now I'm adding in some granulated garlic and granulated onion. And then I'm just going to take a rotisserie chicken that I grabbed at the grocery store, makes this super easy and fast, and I'm going to break it up into pieces and add the chicken, no bones, no skin, to my pasta. Now if you want to make your own rotisserie chicken, you totally can do that, and I'll put a link to a video I did showing you how to do a whole chicken in your air fryer. So the link will be up above and down below in the description box. So toss the chicken around with the pasta until it's well incorporated, and then you're going to add your pasta and chicken to your baking dish, and make sure you spray your baking dish with some cooking spray so the food doesn't stick. And then I'm just topping it with a little drizzle of barbecue sauce, and then finally I'm going to add some shredded cheese. Now I'm going to cover it with foil, and oh, here's a little trick. Spray the underside of your foil with cooking spray and then your cheese won't stick to it. Anyways, it baked in the oven at 325 for about 25 minutes, and then I took it out and I topped it with some more barbecue sauce and some parsley. So believe it or not, guys, that's it. This is a super easy dish. It comes together so fast, especially if you buy a rotisserie chicken from the store. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. As always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.